At the end of the day, I was able to take three trade. I won two and lose one. I had two wins in a row and just one loss. I thought I would be able to trade during the day, but I am not chanced. Then I realized if I had leave the market when I had that two wins in a row, I will end the day with just two wins and the loss I had won't be there. And also with the loss, market actually collected 10 cents of my profit, 10 cents, because I already make two wins and one loss. So they remove the money I lose from my profit, not from my initial capital. Then I realized I need to check myself. I need to work on my money management, which is my profit and loss management. So this is the day one, week two. One of these week goal is not to blow the account. This will be achieved only if I minimize my risk. That is if I'm taking only 1 or 10% of my capital per trade. Also, I must not rush and I must not be greedy. The second goal of the week is no drawdown to my initial capital. I can only achieve that if I did not overtrade. Also, I need to find the loophole in my strategy that I used last week and fix it. My third goal is to work on my money management. That will be achieved by working on my capital preservation, by updating my daily loss and daily target. Throughout last week till now, I was able to take 40 trade in total. I lose 18 and I won 22. Imagine I only won all those 22 trade without having any 18 loss. I would have doubled my capital. Is it not times 200 or times 150 of my capital? I understand winning 22 trades in a row might seem impossible to some people, but to me, I want it to be possible. I consider those 18 losses to the price I have to pay for my mistake. So each trade cost me $1. In order to have a profitable week, I need to work on all those stuff. This is all what I'm going to be doing for the day, and that is the trade I took and the number of trade I won and the one I lose. So by tomorrow, I'm going to update you guys how I'm going my $10 account.